WWE Bash in Berlin was a hell of a ride. It was an awesome show, awesome spots. You know, crowd was amazing. Every European crowd is amazing. Whether it is Berlin, in Scotland, in France, every crowd. I just love European crowd. They are so good, good. I wish they come to India someday. So I'm gonna tell you what I like, what I don't like, whether the right winner won, you know, everything about the PLA and my overall experience about this PLE. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon because if you love the wrestling, you're gonna love us too. Start करते हैं Kevin Owens versus Cody Rhodes for WWE Undisputed Championship और this match was great. अच्छा मैच था, काफी अच्छे स्पॉट्स थे और सबको पता था कोडी रोड जीतने वाले हैं, तो वो एक्सपेक्ट किसी ने नहीं किया था केविन ओवेंस जीतने का, बट व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्टेड वाज द हील टर्न बाय केविन ओवेंस, जो कि हुआ नहीं। हालांकि काफी बार लगा कि अब ओवेंस स्नैप करेंगे, अब ओवेंस स्नैप करेंगे, बट ऐसा हुआ नहीं। इन माय ओपिनियन इट वाज अ राइट कॉल because now Kevin Owens turned heel when he gave 100% in the match and he did win. Now turning heel will be justifiable. Overall match, I love the match. It was a great, entertaining match. It is a thumbs up by me. फिर आते हैं Unholy Union versus Bianca Belair and Jade Cargill for WWE Women's Tag Team Championship. और believe me, जेड कारगिल का ये बेस्ट मैच था अभी तक का पूरे WWE रन में। इट वाज द बेस्ट मैच बाय जेड कारगिल और हालांकि एंडिंग अनएक्सपेक्टेड थी। आई थॉट अनहोली यूनियन विल रिटेन द चैंपियनशिप, जो कि होना भी चाहिए था मेरे हिसाब से, बट ट्रिपल एच might have cooking something else. I don't know. Except that it was an awesome match. All four performers were great. Unholy Union were great. Jade and Bianca are obviously great at what they do. It was an entertaining match. I loved it. It was also thumbs up. Actually, all the matches which I'm going to review, every match is thumbs up because it is a Triple H era. Nothing goes bad. Then we move on to Drew McIntyre versus CM Punk, and it was a cinema. It was great to watch. मैं पहले थोड़ा कंफ्यूज था about the stipulation of the strap match, but along the match I got familiar with it. और स्टार्टिंग के फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द मैच, I mean they were killing each other. वो वहां से आए थे एक दूसरे को मारने के लिए. It was so awesome. They were just beating the hell out of each other. It was so good to watch. Ending with top notch. We got the closure of CM Punk. He finally won a match in WWE almost 10 years apart, and now they are tied. अब दोनों के बीच में टाई है और बैड ब्लड में we all wanted CM Punk versus Drew McIntyre inside the Hell in a Cell to kill each other. Yes, we want them to kill. Overall match was awesome. You can comment down below and tell me how you like CM Punk versus Drew McIntyre. It was so good match. But thumbs up by me. फिर आते हैं the Terror Twins versus the Judgment Day, or say the New Judgment Day. Honestly, I've read comments on people like why Terror Twins have lost, why Terror Twins have won the match, why Judgment Day have lost. Are you out of mind? Terror Twins was supposed to win after that screw up at SummerSlam by Judgment Day. They had to win the match. I know उनकी कोई जीत से कोई बहुत फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा स्टोरी लाइन में, बट स्टिल दे नीडेड टू विन दैट मैच। और जजमेंट डे तो आज मैं ये समझ गया हूँ 2 साल में कि जजमेंट डे कितने भी मैच हारेगी, उनके रेपुटेशन को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, कुछ भी नहीं। वो स्टिल ट्रिपल एच कोई नई स्टोरी लाएगा और वो फिर एक स्टार बन जाएंगे जजमेंट डे। they don't need to win for their reputation. I mean, they're still good and the match was awesome. Match was good. बस एक चीज मिसिंग थी मैच में, Rhea Ripley giving rip tie to Dominic Mysterio, but I think we will get it soon. Don't worry about the match. It was a great match. I really loved the match. मैच में कुछ ज्यादा हेल या वाले मोमेंट्स नहीं थे, but it was still a decent match. फिर आते हैं at the last but not the least, Gunther versus Randy Orton. और इसके भी मैंने काफी कमेंट्स पढ़े हैं कि Randy Orton should win, Randy Orton should have win. You are stupid. Randy Orton is Randy fucking Orton. He doesn't need to win to prove himself. He has already proven himself. Randy Orton को जीतने की जरूरत ही नहीं है अब. और it was the right time to give a championship to a newcomer. Gunther was supposed to win. Gunther एक फ्यूचर है, रैंडी ऑर्टन पास्ट थे, ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा. रैंडी ऑर्टन एक लेजेंड है, उनको कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकता. He doesn't need to win the title that time. Gunther was supposed to win and he did win. And obviously Gunther की परफॉर्मेंस तो हर बार अच्छी रहती है, पर I thought मेरे हिसाब से किंग ऑफ द रिंग का मैच ज्यादा अच्छा था इससे. बट स्टिल इट वाज अ गुड मैच. आई लव इट. एंडिंग थोड़ा ज्यादा ही खींची थी, जैसे कि स्लीपर होल्ड बहुत लंबा चला मेरे हिसाब से, बट स्टिल द मैच वाज गुड. आई लव्ड इट. ओवरऑल बैच इन बर्लिन, if I have to rate it, I would give a solid 8.5 to the match. I mean, to the whole show. That's it by me. You can get out.